The waiter comes to your table?
And your mind goes blank?
Today, you'll learn to order food in English.
Easy, polite words for any restaurant.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken, please. No onions.
Simple, friendly, made for beginners.
So let's order some food in English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Daily. I'm Kate.
And I'm Michael. Hi, everyone. It's so nice to be here with you today.
It's nice to have you here, too. Michael, are you hungry?
Always, Kate. I'm always hungry.
Perfect, because today we're going to a restaurant.
Ooh, I love restaurants. But sometimes I'm nervous to order in English.
A lot of people feel that way. The waiter comes and your mind goes blank.
Yes, exactly. So what do I say?
Today, you'll learn. We'll practice ordering food, step by step. Easy English.
Perfect for beginners and so useful in real life.
Exactly. Just a few simple, polite phrases. And you're ready.
Just a few phrases. That sounds easy.
It is. And you'll use them every time you eat out.
I like that. But first, everyone, please click the like button. It really helps us.
And subscribe. And share this with a friend who is learning English. Okay, Michael, let's go and eat.
Let's order some food.
So, Michael, we walk into the restaurant and a waiter shows us to our table.
We sit down, and then I need the menu.
Exactly. The menu is the list of all the food. Sometimes it's on the table already.
And if it's not there?
You just ask. You say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Nice and polite.
Perfect. Then you open the menu and you look at the food.
There are so many things. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Yes, take your time. There's no hurry.
Okay, I'm looking. Everything looks so good.
I know that feeling. So let's start with something to drink. Usually, the waiter comes back and asks about drinks first. They say, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Something to drink. And what do I say?
You keep it simple. "Can I have a water, please?" Or, "I'll have an orange juice."
I'll have an orange juice. Oh, I like I'll have.
It's a great phrase for ordering. I'll have, and then the food or drink.
So, I'll have a coffee. I'll have a cola.
Exactly. And if you want to know the choices, you ask, "What drinks do you have?"
What drinks do you have? And they tell me the list.
Exactly. And you can ask for hot or cold. A hot tea, please. A cold water, please. A cold water, please. Nice. On a hot day. Perfect. So ye order your drink first. Then you look at the food.
Okay. I'll have a water for now. Now, the food.
So, Michael, sometimes you look at the menu and you don't know what to choose.
Yes, everything is new. I don't understand some words.
That's okay. You can ask the waiter. A great question is, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend? So the waiter tells me a good dish.
Exactly. They know the food. They'll say, "The fish is very good today."
Oh, nice. And what if I don't know what's in a dish?
Good question. You ask, "What's in it?" Or, "Excuse me, what is this?"
What's in it? So they tell me, like chicken, rice, and vegetables.
Exactly. And if you can't eat something, this is very important.
Like if I don't like a food?
Yes, or an allergy. You can ask, does this have nuts? Or is this spicy?
Is this spicy? Very important for me. I don't like spicy food.
Ha, me too. So you ask first. Then there's no surprise. And can I ask how big the dish is? Yes, you can say, is it a big portion? A portion is the amount of food.
Is it a big portion? Good, so I know if I'll be full.
And you can ask about vegetarian food too. Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Vegetarian. Food with no meat. Good for many people.
Exactly. There's a polite question for everything.
So many good questions. What do you recommend? What's in it? Is this spicy?
Perfect. Now you understand the menu. Time to order your food. So the waiter comes back and asks, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? And if I need more time?
You just say, can I have a few more minutes, please?
A few more minutes, please. So polite. And when I'm ready?
Then you order. You can say, I'll have the chicken, please.
I'll have the chicken, please. My favorite phrase again.
Yes. Or you can say, can I get the fish and chips?
Can I get? So I'll have and can I get both work?
Exactly. They're both polite and easy. Use the one you like.
And what about a starter before the main food?
Same thing. I'll have the soup to start. Start means first.
The soup to start. Then the chicken. A full meal.
Perfect. And don't forget the magic word.
Please.
Yes, always please. I'll have the chicken, please. It's so friendly.
And what about dessert? The sweet food at the end.
Ah, dessert. Usually the waiter asks later, would you like any dessert?
And I say, yes, I'll have the ice cream, please.
Perfect. Or, no thank you. Just the bill, please.
Just the bill, please, so I can finish my meal politely.
And one more useful phrase for when you're with friends.
Oh, what's that?
When you pay, you can say, together, please, or separately, please.
Separately, please. So everyone pays for their own food.
Exactly. Very useful with friends.
Kate, what if I want to change something? Like no onions.
Ah, a special request. That's easy too. You say, no onions, please.
No onions, please. Short and clear.
Exactly. Or, can I have the salad without tomatoes?
Without tomatoes. So without means you don't want it.
Perfect. And you can ask for something extra too. Can I have extra cheese?
Extra cheese. Yes, please. I always want extra cheese.
Me too. So, no onions, without tomatoes, extra cheese, easy changes.
So I can order the food exactly how I like it?
Exactly. The waiter is happy to help. Just ask politely.
And how about meat? Sometimes they ask how I want it.
Oh, yes. For a steak, they ask, how would you like it? You can say, well done, please.
Well done. So it's cooked a lot, not pink inside.
Exactly. Simple and clear. Okay, Michael, let's practice everything. I'll be the waiter, you're the customer.
Ooh, I'm ready. I'm very hungry.
Good evening. Here is your menu.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a water, please.
Of course. Are you ready to order?
Or do you need a few minutes?
Can I have a few more minutes, please?
Take your time. Okay, are you ready now?
Yes, I am. What do you recommend?
The chicken is very good today.
That sounds nice. I'll have the chicken, please. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. Would you like anything to start?
Yes, I'll have the soup to start. And no onions, please.
No onions. No problem. Anything else?
Can I have extra bread, please?
Of course. So that's a water, the soup, and the chicken. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Your food will be ready soon.
And scene. Kate, that felt so easy.
It was. Did you hear? You used so many phrases. I'll have. What do you recommend? No onions, please. I did. A whole order from start to finish. And Michael, after your food comes, the waiter often checks on you.
Oh, what do they say?
They ask, is everything okay? Or, how is your food?
And I say, it's delicious. Thank you.
Perfect. And if you need something, you say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?"
Excuse me, can I have some more water, please? Nice and polite.
Exactly. Just say, "Excuse me" first and ask politely. Easy.
And if I drop my fork?
It happens. You say, excuse me, could I have another fork, please?
Another fork, please. So they bring a clean one.
Exactly. Don't be shy. Just ask. That's the waiter's job. Well, Michael, now you can order food in English with no stress.
I can. Can I have the menu? I'll have the chicken. No onions, please.
Perfect. And remember, speak slowly and always say please and thank you.
Please and thank you. My magic words.
Thank you all so much for practicing with us today.
Yes, thank you. And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, what food do you like to order at a restaurant?
Ooh, I love pasta. What about you, Michael?
Pizza. Always pizza. Tell us yours in the comments.
We love to read them. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
And share this with a friend who is learning English. So, until next time, keep practicing.
And enjoy your meal. Bye for now, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.